where the ocean meets the land and history lives in every breath of the people. The place where tradition is not forgotten, it is honored, protected, and passed on. One celebration stands above all, Basa Jama Festival, a gathering of culture, gathering of peace, gathering people, the living expressions of identity. Long before the drums begin, the spirit of the festival is already. With that said, Basa Jama is a reminder of where the people come from and who they are. It is strength, it is unity, it is pride.
Jaisa, ya was okay na hika eba mu. Kokwe ma jamana nje. Kungweta. Ya bilaka. Ya babama. Ya betana. Lelomo. Omo anuma na kinkwelanda. Musono kunde. Dunya musono labai. Ya betana, e pati patia, akile lota, akile jagoe, ya be genialo, alo papa, ya kale la tusa, alo jomeli biba me, alo ya dulaka.
Celebrate who we are as Cape Martinians. I mean, it's a lot. You know, if you read the arrest agenda, tourism is a pillar under the arrest agenda. And if you read it further, you will see that Cape Mount has been identified as the tourism hub of this nation. And in tourism, we got culture, which includes all of our traditional activities and our food. The fact that this activity is named after the food that identifies us as a people is a lot, and I see that it is exposing the touristic future of this place to Liberia and the rest of the world. So I'm really excited.
But in terms of the economic dividend, how optimistic are you the development that is going to bring back home to your country?
You see, all of our local people making more business because of our presence. The few hotels are here, we're already all booked. So that's an economic dividend for the locals. And for us, that is very important. And this is a historic event. It's the birth of a new era of tourism. And I want to say a big thank you to the people of Grand Cape Mount County for organizing such a great event that gives us the opportunity to showcase the culture of Grand Cape Mount County, the storytelling of its history, the beauty of its natural endowments, and its hospitable people. This is an event we'll love to see spread across every other county in Liberia as we continue to promote tourism.
The superintendent, thank you. The superintendent, the county leadership, the elders, our mothers, the cultural people, citizens of Grand Cape Mount County. Good evening to all of you. I'm sorry for coming late. You know, normally when people invite me, I can tell them I get my own way. bombing to see on the farm. So with the president on the farm, we're in a long meeting. I almost told the senator that I would not make it. But when the meeting got through, I said, "You'll stay there." She said, "Yes." So I started rushing coming. So I want to say sorry for coming late, but I'm equally happy to see all of you here at this time, this morning. I want to say thank you to you. I want to say thank you to you for organizing such a program, the citizens of Grand Cape Mount County, without the government funding in it. I want to say thank you. You are soon a country that when citizens come together, when people come together, they can do anything they want to do. And I know what you've done today, all counties are watching and they will follow you. And at the end of the day, we will say it started in Cape Town County. My first time here was sometime in 2012. I just got elected as representative and I came here, I was stopping at Nana Lodge. So I was here for like 3 days. And every morning I got up, I would walk to the beach. The men that coming from fishing, I can help them, they will put their kino on the water. So the first day we put the kino, the men gave me 1 piece of fish. The sea magret. The next day I went there. So the next day I went there, I helped the men that put their kino again. But they didn't know me. So they gave me 1 more piece of fish as my pay. And when I was finally leaving, I went there and gave them something. I would not call it something Lee. And then all of them were shocked. They said, Then somebody said, but you know that man I represented. They said, that representative were paying piece of fish here. And it was very nice to me. I mean, for me to help you push your kidneys and put a tell you they get out from here. But I wanted to know the terrain in. I can show the Liberian people and the Cape Town people are hospitable people. Next year, as I leave from here, I will talk to the president that if the Cape Town people can do this by themselves, next year the government of Liberia should try and put something inside so we can cover the same Fatura kaiti sawa Temu kya kamasi Kya kayela tusa Allah be mo jabe fatu Alo mwa me bonkingo Kya kayela fwaye Bela kamu bwankai Alo pele Mwa Jaisa Yabo soke na hika yeba mu Kokwe maja mananje Mbe kungweta Kya dulaka Ndo kya babama Kya betana Nelomu Komo anumana kinkwelanda Musuno kunde Dunya musuno labai Kya betana E pati patia Akile loka akale jagoye Kya be genialo Alo pok 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 Kya kale la tusa Alo jomeli fiba me Alo Kya dulaka Kya dulaka Kya lukelo Kya sikmema Akale la tusa loye Oya kayele Alo jina bila
muso no labai. Sunya muso no kun. Calma no pé, a não vai comer no lo, comer no chão no fundo, que maca macai, que a gai que é a mãe, a bucia tu sai loi, alô meu nana, sei pra boa turma, a munda boa que a babama, que a betana, e te weka alô a betana sei na. Ata misi ke ato ya kama baby abeta na le neba le nebe asete ma white kai adola kai kama mo ba menu so la pasi ko biama ata ya lo kelo anu be mi anu se ma mo no lo pandia flow lomo Yana Mabila Kekamo Pebona Abejenai Kesa Sapia Biakai Eya Kashama Flower Nyobene Kamoy Bebona Miawai Alome Wiji Wabiana Bejenan Jakuo Akele Jakuo Kai Amusia tu Sailoi Kamomo Imiake Alome Fajalo no Jabona Kulu Asakai Yasi Sofela Sunya Kaino Labai Be mama no kunde Be mama no labai Sele sele o sele o sele 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 o sele o sele Suba Sa 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 Aha Mochacho Ima boka musela we Sike wapi da wasi Ibya bebe Ima la ikotao Bema jama mewe mula po Aha Ona kena nuwa Mle afya kime kwa wadi ya mau Anga ngambu wa mau Mle mekubyo Sasako Afes megekai Sige DJ Su